Hello everyone. People usually tell my mother that she makes the best fried dumplings. So, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to make the best fried dumplings. Okay? So, these are the ingredients, and I'll list the ingredients and the measurements in the description below. So let's do this. Added the flour to the container, so now I'm adding the baking powder. That's 1.5 teaspoons. Then I had some salt, half a teaspoon of salt. Then we had our butter. Okay. Then we just mix it all together. We use our hand to combine all these ingredients together until it starts looking like breadcrumbs, like that. Yes, that's how we want it. Then we had our milk. We put a little bit each time, and we keep folding it in to the flour mixture, and we pour a little more milk, and we fold that in now into the flour mixture again, and then we pour the last of our milk. Then we finish kneading our dough, and we knead it lightly. We don't put a lot of pressure on this dough like when we're making boiled dumplings. So we knead it lightly, because that's one of the secrets to getting some nice soft fried dumplings. So now we cover it, and I let it rest for at least 30 minutes before I start frying them. I heated the pot. Then after I had the cooking oil, then I'll reduce the flame to medium, because I want these fried dumplings to be properly cooked. Okay, so this is it after 30 minutes. So now we're making our dumplings. This is how my mother taught me how to make them. Okay, so just put a piece of the dough in my palm, and I use my right hand to keep rolling it around, rolling it and folding the middle at the same time, rolling it around and keep folding in the middle, trying to get this round disc type shape. Well, this one is not very easy. It took me a while to learn it that way, so I'm going to show you the easier way. You take a piece of the dough, put it in your hand, and you just keep rolling it into a ball like that. Then you use the side of your hand to press in the middle to get that disc shape right there. Yes, and there you go. Good job. So now we're frying our dumplings. It's time to flip them over. You just need to watch them. I usually flip them like after 2 minutes, a minute or two. So usually my fried dumplings will take like, each batch would take like 5 minutes, and they'll be ready. 5 to 6 minutes and they'll be ready. I'll be making another batch now. The procedure is the same. This is the way I show you how my mom taught me how to make them. And I also show you the easier way to make these dumplings by rolling them like this, right? Yeah, this is the easier way. So do it the way you prefer. I think this will be easier for you guys. Okay. And you still get those great tasting fried dumplings. Oh, yes. So I forgot to mention that if you don't have milk, because I use milk, and you know that milk contains fat. So if you're gonna use, you can use water if you don't have milk. However, you would need to add an extra 10 grams of butter and half a teaspoon baking powder, and you still get some good fried dumplings. So use what you have. If you don't have whole milk, you can substitute it with water. So there we go. I finished making my last batch. This is our lovely fried dumplings. Here I'm flipping over these. So I'll be taking these out in another 2 minutes. They'll be ready, good to go. So here they are, beautiful, golden brown, cooked thoroughly on the inside. Look at that. Soft on the inside, beautiful on the outside. So that's how my mom made fried dumplings. So please try this recipe. I know you're gonna enjoy it. Thank you so much for watching. Please share, comment, like, subscribe. Take good care of yourself, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.